Hey there, photographers and content creators. In 2025, cameras are sleeker, smarter, and more versatile than ever, combining portability with pro-level performance. Here's our list of the best compact cameras of 2025, packed with features to fit every shooting style. Let's dive in. The Fujifilm X100VI is a masterclass in blending retro design with cutting-edge tech. Sporting a 40.2 megapixel aps-c X-trans sensor, it delivers high-resolution images with stunning detail and dynamic range, even in challenging lighting. Its 23mm f2 fixed lens, 35mm equivalent, is perfect for street, landscape, and portrait photography, providing a beautiful balance of sharpness and bokeh. The advanced hybrid viewfinder lets you toggle between optical and electronic modes, giving you creative flexibility while framing your shots. This 6th generation X100 also introduces enhanced autofocus, with faster subject tracking and face detection. Fujifilm's film simulation modes bring vintage vibes to your images, mimicking classic film stocks like Velvia and Acros. Compact yet feature-packed, the X100VI is the perfect travel companion for photographers who want professional quality without lugging a heavy kit. If you're a vlogger or content creator, the Sony ZV-1 II is your ultimate tool. Designed with creators in mind, it features a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor and a versatile 18 to 50 millimeter f1.8 to 4.0 lens that excels in both wide-angle and close-up scenarios. The real-time eye. Autofocus and real-time tracking ensures sharp focus on your face or moving subjects, even in dynamic settings. What sets this camera apart is its background defocus mode, letting you achieve stunning bokeh with the press of a button. The side-articulating touchscreen makes framing effortless, while 4K video recording with advanced stabilization ensures smooth, professional-looking footage. Additional features like a built-in directional mic with a windscreen and seamless live streaming support make the ZV-1 II a must-have for vloggers and influencers looking to up their content game. The Panasonic LUMIX S9 takes compact cameras to new heights with its 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers breathtaking detail and rich color. Designed for hybrid shooters, this camera offers 6K photo and video modes, giving you incredible flexibility for capturing stills and high-resolution video. The phase hybrid autofocus system ensures lightning-fast focusing, even in low light, while the new active IS image stabilization technology provides unparalleled steadiness for handheld shots. The S9's weather-sealed body makes it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures, and its L-mount lens compatibility offers endless creative possibilities. With an ergonomic design and intuitive controls, the LUMIX S9 is perfect for photographers and videographers seeking professional-grade performance in a compact form. Built to thrive in extreme conditions, the OM System TG7 is a rugged powerhouse for outdoor enthusiasts. This camera boasts a 12 megapixel sensor paired with a 25 to 100 millimeter f2.0 lens, providing versatility for macro, wide-angle, and zoom shots. Waterproof up to 10 meters, shockproof, freeze-proof, and crush-proof, the TG7 is built to withstand the elements. Its variable macro system offers incredible close-up capabilities, allowing you to capture fine details with clarity. The built-in GPS and compass help you document your adventures, while the Pro Capture mode ensures you never miss the perfect action shot. Whether you're snorkeling, hiking, or skiing, the OM System TG7 delivers durability and quality that adventures demand. The Insta360 GO 3S is redefining portability and creativity with its tiny, lightweight design and powerful capabilities. Weighing just 1 ounce, it's the perfect choice for hands-free, on-the-go shooting. Despite its compact size, the camera records 4K video with stunning clarity, enhanced by advanced flow state stabilization for buttery smooth footage. Its magnetic design allows you to mount it almost anywhere, on helmets, pets, or even your shirt, giving you unique perspectives. With a 140-minute battery life, you can capture extended adventures without recharging, and the waterproof rating up to 10 meters ensures it's ready for any environment. Perfect for vlogging, POV shots, and travel, the Insta360 GO 3S is a fun, creative tool for those who love innovation and convenience. There you have it, the best compact cover cameras of 2025. Whether you're drawn to the retro charm of the Fujifilm X100VI, the content creation prowess of the Sony ZV-1 II, or the adventure-ready OM system TG7, there's a perfect pick for every type of shooter. Ready to upgrade your photography game? Check the links below to grab your favorite and let us know in the comments which camera you're taking on your next adventure.